This voiceover is recorded using the Shure MV7 in USB mode. I just want to do a quick unboxing video to show you what's inside the box. It says made for iPhone, iPad, and iPod, but you need to buy the Lightning to micro USB cables separately. There are two cables included, micro USB to USB-A and a Type-C to USB-A. A 3/8 to 5/8 inch adapter is included, so it can be used with my regular microphone arm. So there you go, that's everything in the box. Looks like it is highly recommended that we install the Shure Motive desktop app so that we can fully customize the way the microphone will sound. There are three modes in the automatic settings. We can pick the tone to be dark, natural, or bright. I am using the natural mode. The included cables are pretty long. This is the main unit. Full metal construction, built like a tank. There is one XLR output, a micro USB cable, and a headphone monitor jack. That's the 3/8 inch adapter for your regular microphone arms. Overall, I'm super happy with the build quality and the full range of adjustments. By the way, these buttons are actually touch sensitive. They are not actual physical buttons. You need to just simply touch it to mute or unmute and toggle between the gain levels or the microphone output volume. These knobs on both sides appears to be a metal as well, so I think it's gonna last me a long time.